Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Showstop Auto. So today I was addressing P0491. It's actually the secondary air injection pump on cold start. Um, what happened is, like, when you start your car and cold starts, the this pump right here injects pump to the catalytic converter. So I was addressing it. I did the pump. I checked for the how you call it, the fuses and everything. It was running fine. I even changed the O2 sensor right here. But look what I came up with. I was supposed to take all this thing apart, and look what I got right here. Of course, it's mega clogged up. You're not gonna see no air patches in this thing right here. So what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna give it like a little nice clean. Look how this thing looks. You gotta kick right here on this car too. Boom. That's what you get. Is this passage is dirty. It's crazy. So I don't know if it's clogged up through there, but it seems fine. It don't seem fine. I don't know if I have to take off this whole part completely so I can just clean it off, which is might be better to do that, so I can have like a better passage of air and clean this stuff too, to see if I shut off the light. So yes, definitely I might I might go inside there and remove the whole system completely. I believe it's like 2 volts. No, it's more than 2 volts. So I gotta take that one off. I gotta get that one on top off. And I don't know if I have another one around, but I should do it to make sure the system is nice and clean. But look at this thing. This is massive dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up first, and then I'm gonna go for the second step right here. Insane crazy. I will never knew and find out about that. I did so much. Oh my God, it's insane. But I got it. Everything is awesome. So I'm gonna go clean this off. Let's push it and make air goes through. But yeah, clean that up.